We are pleased to show you the 2017 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.